but it was only held in silo. So like this year we thought like curators Masood Fernandez and Prakash approached us and said like let us have an inclusive fest. So that is how we are going to have this fest as a Madache fest. And from now onwards, we every year annually will have a Madache fest, and not in silo, but it will be inclusive, and we want everybody to participate in this fest. And there will be so many people and so many creative things happening here, and all our Sunday school teachers and students and my headmaster, all of them are involved in this fest, and we want the public to participate and have this function as a great event.
And we've been doing many festivals. This week has been an extraordinary week in Goa because the 3 people's festivals happened. On the first, there was Abonanche Fest at Nirmala Institute. On the second was Musganche Fest at National Association of the Blind in Santa Cruz. And coming Saturday, we are having Madanche Fest at Sanjay School. These are all people's festivals, but I've been doing this for 20 years, but now we are moving into institutions. So when we move into institutions, we are hoping that they are going to remain. All of these festivals from now onwards will be inclusive and accessible to all. And the main aim of the festival is we have to showcase Goa. We got amazing heritage here. We got amazing food, music, theatre, dance, diversity, plants, beaches, but we're not talking about it. We need to talk now and we have to showcase it ourselves. So on Saturday, we're having a unique event here called Madani Pasoi Spachehami. We're going for a Pasoi in the Madani. And we're going to start at 10:30 at the police station compound in Porvorim. We start 10:30 there and we'll go for the Pasoi with the band and music, and anybody from Goa can come. So here is just the venue.
Tatu Pidalkar, Headmaster, Sanjay Center for Special Education in Goa. As all of us know that this is the main center where we are catering to the hearing impairment, slow learner, intellectually disabled students. Then we have 2 centers in South Goa and 1 in North Goa, high secondary and vocational unit. We here and the management here is more focused on to make a child independent living. So on this occasion of the Madache Fest, we are giving and we are making a 4 student independent by giving them a 4 sewing machines. That is one of the achievement the management will be fulfilling to make a child economically independent. We give more stress on occasional, where we provide more of occasional training for the students so that later on he becomes independent. So the item that you can see on the table, it is all made by the students, and then again it is being sold in the market by means of various exhibitions. Recently we had exhibition of craft and food product at the Shama Prasad Stadium for Interior and Exterior Depot. There we got a good response. Every year we conduct an exhibition during a Chaturthi at Kala Academy, and wherever also we display our product at various industries too, in the occasion of Diwali or Christmas. So we get a more response, but we want to spread it all over. So everyone should know that the Sanjay School is making something and making a child independent.
Goan, as he said, art, culture, literature, diversity is celebrated in various villages. So I was getting, when I work with disabled people, I got a feeling that society is still not prepared to accept inclusion, that to absorb these people. People who have disabilities, their families and relatives understand. Others simply feel that it is their problem. So I suggested to Marius that why not, when you do so many fests, which is like people you are drawing from all across Goa, other people, villagers, they come together, they enjoy, they learn, they interact. Why not include people of disabilities and also make that inclusion and work towards their accessibility? Let people get more and more sensitized. That is how our first festival to mark the 16 years of Disability Rights Association of Goa we held in Panaji. After that in National Association of Blind, just on Sunday we had that festival where visually impaired kids and other people Goan people across Goa, musicians, artists, who not. And people were so fascinated to see, because many times people have this impression that visually impaired or even disabled children are what they can do. They are dependent, or poor people. People talk of sympathy. They don't need that. They need empathy. They need hand of empathy. And people should know that in today's technology is so developed and so much equipment and everything is coming up, that they just need education, skilling, which now if you see this Sanjay school, around 500 students,